Vicky thinks he has a light, or that I have a light. Willow's over there, don't care. Well, maybe now she does. Here comes Jada. I walked over here so I could get their burrito. And it's only them two that like to play. Will is the guard dog. Jada ends up having it whenever she doesn't even want it. She just takes it because Atticus wanted it. Two lovebirds. And over here is the explosion of Rugrats. All cooped up in their little house. Go around to the window. See that they like to sleep in there.